the customer doesn't want to go forward, is this fund refunded?
I'm sure customer will not back
Yeah,
out for
correct.
sure because the
Considering
kind of
the-
demand that we
exactly.
have.
So currently I'm standing at Provident Ecopolitan, and I'm in talk with Harshia. She is handling sales for this entire project. So currently we are standing at this location and the work is happening behind, right?
Yes.
So can you just tell me about this location and also this project details?
So project name is Provident Ecopolitan, which is located in KIADB Aerospace.
Okay.
So to be precise, it is in Bangalore. KIADB is 3,000 acres. So
Okay.
250 acres has been assigned to residential property.
Okay.
So here we have 10 acres of land parcel.
We have 10 acres of land
Yes.
parcel. So what exactly is KIDA? Is it any IT development?
Yes, in KIDB, as I mentioned, it is 3,000 acres.
Okay.
So 250 acres, it is purely for residential, where we have all the builders, and in other part of KIDB, we have all the IT parks moving in,
Okay.
and we have Philips, SAP, all the commercial moving in this particular location.
Project. So in between we have this
Yes.
residential project out of it. I've seen a lot of other brands also.
Yes.
What is different here? Like when we speak about the area amenity, can you just give me an idea about it?
So our project is 10 acres. So in 10 acres, we have 9 towers. 1 to 7 towers, we were in phase 1, which we sold out completely. Now we are launching phase 2,
Phase two.
8 and 9 tower.
Okay.
So if I have to talk about our project particularly, here we have 1.5 acres of lush garden.
Okay.
So where we are planting 1 tree per unit is our concept.
Okay.
So around 1200 to 1300 we have proper garden, like forest, you can say mini forest, where we have amenities, and it is also a low density project.
Okay.
Yeah.
So you have green inside this IT
Inside the
community
property,
also.
yes.
Got it. So when we come to the configuration, phase 1 is sold out. There is not much of a unit left. In phase 2, what is the
In phase 2, we are coming up 1 BHK, 3 BHK and 3.5 BHK.
okay. So you have any specific size in related to one?
Yes. 1 BHK will come around 530 square feet to 950 square feet, and 3 BHK would be 1460 square feet.
1460, okay.
3.5 with servant room will be around 19 square feet.
19 square feet. Yeah. So see, EOI concept, when it comes to it, you're actually taking out the interest of the people.
Correct.
Because this kind of project, I'm 100% sure most of the people would be interested.
Yes.
But you would like to filter. You would like to filter the most interested. What is the benefit you're getting for people who are going for EOI?
Okay. Customer, for example, customer is visiting our project. If he's interested in the project, we take the EOI expression of interest. So once he places an expression of interest, then we generate a queue number where he will have the early access to select the unit.
Okay.
So in today's date, customer, like, he wants to have unit which is proper vastu or corner unit or garden view unit. So when you have EOI in your hand, then you have early access to select the particular unit. which
Unit
you
to it.
want.
Got it. Got it. Okay.
And also on the day of the launch, you get certain EOI benefits and also launch
In terms of price.
In terms of price,
you
yes.
would get it. Great. So what is the process for EOI? Like people who are watching this, and if they are interested about knowing more, definitely we'll give them more information. In terms of booking, what is the formality?
Okay, you visit the project, or if you're not available in Bangalore, then we do the virtual call.
Okay.
We show all the details of the project and we give all the details, whatever is present with us. Then if you're interested, you can place an EOI of 1 lakh rupees irrespective of any dimension, 1, 3, 3.5. And then we generate queue number.
Okay.
Then customer gets a mail from CRM with the queue number. And on the day of the launch, we call the customer.
If the customer doesn't want to go forward, is this fund refunded?
I'm sure customer will not back
Yeah,
out for
correct.
sure because the
Considering
kind of
the-
demand that we
Exactly.
have, if in case worst to worst scenario,
Yeah.
If customer wants to back out, then yes, it is 100%.
100% refundable. So they can really, if they are interested, they can really move forward and take it up. Perfect. Okay. So I'm really sure that I see this project and area to be in a different stage in 2030.
Correct.
Because this IT area kind of brands who have already started the work, Provident is here.
Correct.
You know, you have kind of given a big project here inside. So whoever who is interested for this project, this video, we can give a detailed discussion. She will definitely help you out to give you more info on it. Okay, so thank you so much. Thanks
Thank
for
you
your
so
time.
much.
Thank you so
Yeah.
much.